Hey there, code friends! Are you rolling your eyes at yet another tutorial about factories making pizzas? We feel you. Let's skip the boring stuff and jump into something way cooler. Today, we're looking at 2 design patterns you'll actually use, no fake examples, just real stuff you can use in your next project. We'll show you exactly how they work with clear diagrams and code you can follow along with. Ready to make your code awesome? Let's go! Strategy pattern, choosing the best payment gateway. Want to make your app handle payments like a pro? Let's check out the strategy pattern. Picture this, your users want to pay using PayPal, Stripe, or Razorpay. But here's the cool part, your app automatically picks the perfect payment method based on where they are and what currency they're using. No mess, no stress, just smooth payments every time. Let's see how this magic works. You know that moment when you're building an online store and you hit that payment gateway puzzle? Let me break it down for you in a way that'll totally make sense. Imagine this, you're crafting this killer e-commerce site, right? But here's the thing, your customers are coming in from all over the world. You've got Sarah from New York wanting to pay with PayPal, Amit from India preferring Razorpay, and Lisa from Europe loving her Stripe checkout. Pretty wild, right? So here's the million-dollar question: how do you make sure everyone gets their preferred payment method without turning your code into spaghetti? The secret sauce? It's all about being smart with your payment gateway setup. Instead of hard-coding one payment method and calling it a day, we're going to build something super flexible that checks where your customer is shopping from, looks at what currency they're using, bam! Automatically serves up the perfect payment gateway for them. It's like having a super smart virtual cashier who speaks every payment language. When someone from India shows up, boom, Razorpay is ready to roll. US customer? PayPal's got their back. European shopper? Stripe slides right in. The best part? Your code stays clean, your customers stay happy, and you look like a total pro. Builder pattern. How you think about setting up cloud servers. Let me paint you a picture that'll blow your mind. You know how when you're ordering a pizza, you get to choose your crust, toppings, sauce, and size? Well, building a cloud server is exactly like that. But instead of pepperoni and cheese, we're playing with CPU, RAM, storage, and operating systems. How cool is that? The problem we're solving. Picture this, you're trying to set up servers for different teams in your company. The AI team needs massive computing power. Your web app needs balanced performance. And your database, well, it's hungry for storage. But here's the thing, setting this up traditionally is like trying to juggle while riding a unicycle, blindfolded. Enter the builder pattern, your new best friend. Think of the builder pattern as your personal server chef. Instead of throwing all your server specs into one messy pot, you get to build your perfect server step by step. It's like having a Lego set for servers. You pick and choose exactly what you want, and everything just clicks. Why this is game-changing. No more messy configuration code. Mix and match components like a pro. Can't mess up, the builder makes sure everything plays nice together. Want to change something? Just swap out the pieces. Real talk time. Imagine you're at a fancy restaurant, stay with me here. You don't just shout all your orders at once, you go through the menu step by step. That's exactly what the builder pattern does for your server setup. The magic in action. Want a beefy server for machine learning? Mind equals blown. The best part? It's literally impossible to mess up. The builder pattern has your back like that friend who stops you from texting your ex at 2 a.m. This is just scratching the surface of what the builder pattern can do. If you want to see more awesome patterns like this, smash the like button and hit subscribe. Drop a comment below with your craziest server configuration, and let's geek out together. Next week, we're diving into something even more exciting. Is that even possible? Yes, it is. Peace out, Code Warriors. But wait, don't stop here. Check out our previous videos for even more design patterns and coding tips that'll blow your mind. Want to master solid principles? Watch, stop writing bad code with these 5 solid secrets. Interested in interview prep? Dive into Ace Your Microservices interview. I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious.